Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a fish hunting stick. First, find a suitable piece of wood. Look for a straight, sturdy branch, ideally 6 to 8 feet in length, that feels solid in your hands. Avoid any wood with visible cracks or weak spots, as these could compromise its strength when used. You'll also need a sharp knife and some abrasive material, like a rough stone, to shape the tip effectively. Let's get started on preparing your materials. Now, let's focus on creating the spear tip. Using your sharp knife, carefully carve one end of the stick into a fine, pointed tip. Aim for a symmetrical shape, roughly 6 to 8 inches in length, ensuring it's sharp enough to penetrate a fish. After carving, use a rough stone or even coarse sand to smooth the tip. This process not only sharpens it further but also helps to harden the wood, making it more durable for hunting. To make your fish hunting stick truly effective, we need to harden the tip. Carefully hold the sharpened end over a small, controlled fire, rotating it constantly. You want to gently char the surface, not burn it. This process removes moisture and makes the wood significantly harder and more resistant to breaking. Once hardened, let it cool completely. Finally, check the stick's overall balance and grip, making any minor adjustments to the handle for comfortable use. With your fish hunting stick complete, it's time to learn how to use it effectively. Practice your aim in shallow water, targeting leaves or small objects to refine your technique before attempting to hunt fish. Remember, patience and a steady hand are key. After each use, clean your stick and store it in a dry place to prevent warping or decay, ensuring it lasts for many hunting trips. And hey, if you're looking for a great way to relax after a successful hunt, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, along with other fantastic deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.